Akwaba, and welcome to Expat Life Ghana. I'm Ayo, and this is Tony, and we're documenting our move from Texas to Ghana as we go beyond the return.
This video is all about the money.
So let's get this video started.
We have a question that comes up over and over when we talk about visiting and moving to Ghana.
How do you get your money over here?
Yeah, there are three major ways to lay your hands on some cash from Ghana. The first, using your ATM, debit card, and credit cards.
Yep, you can use your ATM card at the machines here. They are likely going to charge you exchange fees and international charges from your US bank though, so keep that in mind.
Yeah, you want to make sure you check with your bank before you travel so you know what those fees are because they can add up.
Oh, for sure. And the exchange rate usually that the bank will give you is sometimes less than what you would get on just the market here. So something to keep in mind too, your exchange rate won't be as good.
Absolutely. You can also use your debit or credit cards here at places that accept the POS or point of sale.
And as a tip for actually interacting here on the ground, you'll say, do you take POS? More than you say, do you take credit card or debit cards? You just ask if they take POS.
And a note on using a debit card or credit card, a lot of places will ask for you to use a PIN number. The machine automatically asks you for a PIN number. So something to think about. If you don't have a credit card that has a PIN, you might want to get that taken care of with your bank before you come.
I don't know anyone who's made that mistake. Anyway.
All right. Again, for the exchange rates and international fees, they vary by carrier, so check that out. And we use a credit card that offers cash back and no international transaction fees, so
yes.
Very helpful. There's a link for that card in the description box below.
Yeah, so with the cash back and the no fees, it's definitely a winner. And then we just pay that off every month out of our US accounts, so.
Absolutely. So first way to transact and get money here is ATM, debit or credit card.
It's probably the easiest. The second way to transact is with MoMo. Mobile money is huge here, like huge.
Yeah, like if you say I don't have MoMo, they look at you like,
huh?
What planet are you from?
I'm from planet America.
Yeah. Although with the recent e-levy tax adding 1.5% fee onto some MoMo transactions, we're starting to see some people shy away from their heavy reliance on it.
I know, there was like a rush on the bank the other day. I was like, whoa, this is kind of serious.
Yeah.
But despite that, MoMo is still the major way to move your money here in Ghana. You can get a MoMo account through your mobile carrier.
Yep. There are restrictions on who can get what kind of accounts for how long and when it comes to SIM card registration.
Yeah, we did a whole video on SIM card registration and getting mobile phones, and you can catch that video if you want to learn more about how you can register a SIM card and get mobile money services here. So check out the link that we've shared.
Hi, I'm Leo. Subscribe right now.
You may not have a mobile here with MoMo services, but I have to tell you, you don't need it.
Totally. We did not get MoMo services until we'd been here for like over a year, I think, that we finally signed up. So
yeah, that's true. Up until that point, we used a US-based company to MoMo Ghanaian accounts. That service was through Sinwave.
Yes, I love them. They are so easy.
Yeah.
So easy.
Yes, you've had some problems with other US-based companies moving money around lately, so.
Yeah, we're going to talk about that later, but you would not believe, like really, how challenging some people make it. Anyway.
Yeah. Well, there's one thing you have to know when using Sinwave. You have to have it set up from the States before you come to Ghana.
You cannot, I repeat, cannot set it up once you get here. You have to set it up before you travel. And also send a test transaction so that you can get verified before you leave the States.
Yes, that first transaction to Africa will most likely trigger a second layer of verification, and you need to have that happen from the US.
Right. And now, like, we have a VPN that we use here in Ghana, and it's definitely an essential as far as continuing to use like several of our US-based services, but you can't use it with most money transfer services. So you got to do it from the States.
Long and short of it is, Set it up and send some mobile money before you go. This mobile money accessibility will be extremely helpful when you get here, believe me.
Seriously, no lie.
Now, there are other services that move money from the U.S. to Africa, like World Remit, Remitly, and Wise. Some people have great success with those.
Me? Not so much. I have tried to use all 3 of those services, and after signing up and sending a transfer and verifying my account with all of my IDs and bank account information, all 3 have been suspended. Something about using those services from here, even though I'm registered through the States, it's flagging the accounts even with my VPN, so.
Yeah. Second way to move money here is with MoMo. You can make a MoMo transfer and get cash at kiosks all over. Set up that MoMo.
For sure. So the third way to get cash is with a bank transfer or wire transfer.
If you're staying here longer term, then you'll probably want to set up a bank account. We have a video on how to do that, so check it out. The links are.
That's a good one.
Yeah,
that's a good one.
Once you have a bank account, you can send wire transfers from your U.S. accounts to your Ghana accounts and pick up the money locally.
Yeah, and that's actually pretty convenient. You can use services like Western Union. That's always a classic. But I've always kind of been hesitant for me personally because I feel like the fees are like a little higher with them. So truth be told, by the time you factor in the expense of doing a wire bank to bank anyway, it's probably about the same, and maybe Western Union doesn't even seem that bad, but yeah.
Yeah. The upside of using a service like that is you don't need a bank account here to get the money.
Right. And I haven't actually done a Western Union transfer before, so I can't really say if it's easy or not. So, not sure.
All right. Questions for you in the comments. How do you access your money from Ghana or elsewhere in Africa?
Drop a comment below and let us know what you think.
Either way, there you have it. 3 ways to get your cash. I have to say the first 2 are the best 2. Using POS and then SendWave have been how we've been getting things done for the last 2 years.
Yeah, I agree. Well, then there's that ultimate king, cash. At least here in Ghana, cash is still king.
Yes.
If you can bring a little extra when you travel here, then you won't have to worry about trying to transfer it over.
Yeah, that is very true. There are limits as to how much you can take with you when you're traveling through the airline, so make sure you check before you travel. But for those of you who are staying longer term, like us, when the cash goes, you're going to have to figure something out.
I guess that's where SendWave, POS, and the banks come in.
Absolutely. Now, if you're signing up for SendWave, use our referral code to get a $5 credit on your first transfer.
And if you want to test it out, send me some money.
Anyway, if you are planning your return, join our closed Facebook group so you can connect with folks just like you.
And if you're planning your first trip to Ghana, check out what we have to offer on our website at expatlifeghana.com, including full-service tours, airport pickups, and day trips to see the country.
Wow, don't forget to subscribe as well and hit that notification bell so you can join us live right here on YouTube the last Friday of every month. I love our lives.
I do
think
too.
They're fun.
They're awesome.
Yeah,
They're awesome.
We hope to see you there.
Yep. And with that, Charlie out for now. Website at expatlifeghana.com.
You gonna get that?
I know. Long and short of it is,
thunder! It's the thunder! That bug is driving me nuts. Are there 2 of them in here?
I don't know.
Yeah, there's another one. Ooh.
Oh, I got that one.
Precariously balanced television. That was almost tragic.
Oh, I got one.
I think there's one more. All right.
Long and short of it is,